how to fix Facebook story problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook story problem on Android phone. First open settings and then just scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again and just select Facebook and first click force stop and then click storage. Now just click clear cache and go to permissions and enable all of those here, camera, contacts, location and all of those here, and now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem just go back here and go to storage and then click clear data and click OK, and now your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.